Red X on my skin, nigga, this war pain. I ain't slept in like 4 days. I've been up scheming, grinding, fuck, sleeping, fighting, love, bringing more flame. Tighten up, we got Lord Slang. Got the Midas touch when I'm writing, fuck, nigga, your grace. The official title of the killer, I know, put it in a Bible in the 4th page. It's a Genesis, let the venom rip through my nemesis. Living for the future, I don't got no time to reminisce. Yeah, killer my state, came through the hill of violate. Make you the niggas I hate, or make you the niggas I raise. Killing rhymes till niggas I spray. Feeling irate, feeling I make maze. Y'all really trying hate, really trying take, really trying negate. Yeah. I hope you're starting to see there ain't no barter and no quarter or no pardon with me. Yeah. Genesis, let the venom rip. Genesis, let the venom rip. Genesis, let the venom rip. There ain't no barter and no quarter or no pardon with me. It's all around the world. It's all around the world. I don't fuck with anybody, I be on some new shit. Penny for your thoughts, I don't want your 2 cents. That ain't gonna change, I don't got solutions. Niggas wanna build, but don't got the blueprint. I walk in boots and be king like Martin Luther. Start the movement, sharp as a Harvard tutor. Y'all the students, cop the Cuban, hold up. Switch and fuck the whole game, no Kama Sutra like whoa. Facts, pull up, I don't know just how to hold back. Even for a second, how I don't slack. Leaving instrumental with a toe tag. Radical forever what I told Shaq. Kill everything, feel empathy, never. Still get to see skill that's next to me till your recipe better. Fall back. Yeah, yeah.